Oh, hi. Thanks for checking in. I'm still a piece of garbage.
Alrighty, guys. Alrighty, guys. Here we go. We have... I have my camera girl back. She's home from work.
Hey, y'all.
This is that pork roast, or beef roast. Now I'm going to cut into this baby and see how she looks. I'm hoping it kind of cuts like a... Oh, man. Look at that. It's cutting like a... what the hell is that? I can't even fucking think of it because you're so pretty and I'm getting distracted.
Aw, sweet.
Brisket.
Boy.
It's cutting kind of like a brisket.
Esme, none of this is for you. You go away.
Yeah, look at that. It's cutting kind of like a brisket.
Oh, look at that beautiful smoke ring.
Yeah, look at that smoke ring.
Gorgeous.
Man, does that look good. Oh, man, look at that juice coming out of there. So this thing smoked from... I think it smoked for 8 hours today. Oh, yeah. This is magnificent. Look at how that looks. It's still coming apart. Oh, man. Oh, yeah. I like it. I like the way it's looking. Alrighty, guys. Well, me and the wife are going to sit down and have a nice little dinner together. And, I'll put this up and talk to you guys later. Troll Media and Tessa Media signing out.
Bye.
Alrighty, guys. So we got the beef roast here, carrots, smoked sweet potatoes. They kind of didn't come out how I planned, but they're all right. So let's go ahead and make fun of Nomadic Fanatic. Oh, you wouldn't like it. You wouldn't like it. You wouldn't like it. Yeah. What a tool. Alrighty, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for playing along. I'm going to actually eat a carrot. That's something that, you know, Nomadic Fanatic, you don't see him eating. You know? Oh, you wouldn't like it. You wouldn't like it. This is adult food.
Yeah. Maybe the next episode we'll do a cooking with Mr. and Mrs. Troll Media.
Mr. and Mrs. Troll Media. Everybody loves that.
Maybe I'll do some sort of fall recipe. Something like that. Okay.
Alrighty, guys.
Maybe
Mr.
a start to finish pumpkin puree from scratch and make it into something.
Okay. We just got back from the pool too, so I'm like sopping wet and yeah. What's up, puppies? You stay out of the kitchen while we're eating.
Waiting for their scraps.
They're waiting for the scraps. Just like Elvis, waiting for scraps. Alrighty, guys, I'm gonna put this video together, and you guys have a good Monday evening.